Hello everyone. So now we're going to talk about the next step you're going to take once you have finished understanding the challenge, formulating the question, and covering everything you need to know about a certain topic. In the research planning phase, you need to know more about the users, you need to think about them, know more about their needs, whom you're going to interview, what kind of different groups of users that you're going to interview, their different perspectives and their experiences that they might have due to this challenge. And in order to do so, you need to categorize your groups into three different categories. The first one, which is in the left, are the users who are the least affected by a certain challenge and they might not use a product or service as frequently as other users. And if we go back to an example that was given before in the formulated question, which was how might we make public transportation more convenient and more secure for women, then in this case we need to think about women who own a car, but at the same time they might get their car broken or maybe they run out of gas and they might need to use public transportation in that case. Even though they might not use the products and services frequently, but interviewing them and knowing more about their situation might give us insightful and rich information to go ahead with our project. The second category, which is in the middle, are the average users. They use actually the product, but not as frequently as others as well. But if we go back again to the example, we need to look into women who might own a car, but at the same time they need to travel outside the city, for example, to visit their relatives, or maybe because they have an interview or some kind of work that they need to do outside the city. And in this case, they need to use any mean of transportation once a month or once a week. And they also can give us different perspectives and different experiences towards the challenge of mobility. The third one, which is here in the right, we're looking into daily users or maybe the frequent users of a certain product and service. And in this case, going back to the same example, we need to look into women who use public transportation, train, bus on a daily basis because they need to travel or because they need to go to their work or to a certain destination using these public transportation. And we need to also formulate the right questions to these users. Once you have categorized them and identified the different users to the challenge, we need to start formulating the right questions. We will be discussing this in the next video, so go ahead, identify your users, and see you in a bit. Thank you so much.